3 cards, right? You have to follow this ace, okay? You have to follow this ace. Now, where is the ace? Here, right? It's obvious, but if I snap, turns it. Check. It turns into ace, right? Watch. I'm doing it really slow, okay? Tell you the secret later, okay, sir? Now, watch this. This right, snap. I have 3 aces. Now, I can cheat because I may have duplicate cards, right? So, to make it unique, I want you to sign the cards, okay? Now, I have some deck of cards. Check, you can sign here. Now, I'll take this card, okay? I will put this somewhere in the middle, okay, sir? Now, where is your card?
In the middle of the stack.
In the middle or somewhere in the middle. I think it's 23rd from, but if I snap, so snap your fingers. If I snap, it jumps to the top. Watch. I can do it again. Sir, write any number here. Write any number to make it more unique. Okay, 3. Now, I'm cheating, okay? I'm cheating everyone. It looks like I'm putting this in the middle, okay? But if I snap, it's in the top. Every time. Now, watch. Write any alphabet. That time, I didn't show you the face of the card. Now, I'm showing the face. This is your sign, right? Now, watch. Lift half of the cards. Lift half of the cards, okay? Now, watch. Here. Now, snap your fingers. Watch the top card.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.